ni Melver Gomez, the director of the film Iyalatu.
Si tatakderak ti Sanguanan ti St. Augustine Church ti Ilimi Apaway. This has become one of the most visited churches in Luzon, a national cultural treasure and a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
Makipagkanta kayo kada kami.
Makipagkararag kayo kada kami.
Ket Iyalatu tayo ti nainsigudan akan nawidan tayo kada kitag tutubitan apanawen.
Proudly from Paway, Ilocos Norte, our film Iyalatu or to Transfer
is a documentary featuring an old oral tradition
of songs and prayers for the dead.
The film portrays an almost dying tradition and the struggles of these Manglalos in passing it to the future generation.
Isang karangalan po na mapili ang aming dokumentaryo bilang official selection sa International Film Festival Manhattan ngayong 2021.
We also take pride to represent Ilocos Norte and the country to the International Film Festival in New York.
Awisin da kayo amin, abuyayan daytoy intuno Mayo 28 aging ganat 30, 2021, online, sadyay IFFM, New York, Diyos unay ti Agngina, agbiag ti Ilocos Norte, Philippines.
Here is the official trailer of our film titled Iyalatu or to Transfer.
I hope to see all the filmmakers and the IFFM family soon. See you all in Manhattan, New York.
Victory!